So today very happy day in Cambodia and Siem Reap. So today I take my husband go to see Kampong Plong and Tonle Sap, the looking sunset. Yeah. Also I buy Coca-Cola and water and Cambodia beer. Yeah, so like about 5 people. You see?
Yeah, very happy.
Yeah. Very have fun. So he first time in Cambodia. He from Europe, but I don't know what you from in Europe?
I am from Moon.
From Moon.
Yeah, from Moon.
From Moon.
Yeah.
I'm from San.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
So he from Moon, me from San. San means Cambodia. Yeah. Where you come from?
From Moon.
From Moon.
Moon.
Yeah, from Moon. Me from
Moon.
Sky,
From
Cambodian.
start. From start.
I'm joking. Yeah, I'm very happy to see and he come to
Oh,
Cambodian.
yeah.
So
Right.
first time he come to Cambodian
You don't
and he
remember?
need me to show him around and river, Kampong Plong and Tonle Sap. You see guys, he enjoy time. What is name?
Rum.
Rum.
Yeah.
Rum make with the Coca-Cola also, right?
Yeah.
Wow. You see guys, very strong. I think today very have fun and people strong and tuk-tuk. Like also an open music in can dancing and with tuk-tuk, right? You want dancing in tuk-tuk?
Yeah, tuk-tuk.
Wow. Yeah, and it tuk-tuk also have music. Yeah. Maybe strong a little bit and then later open music and can dancing. Yeah, dancing, disco, have fun. And a rope.
Yeah, in the room. Rope in the fire.
Oh, you want to go upstairs?
Yeah.
Really?
I dancing like
Really?
Yeah.
And then, sorry, and then you do a bikini sexy dancing
Yeah.
upstairs.
Yeah. And I take all clothes also.
Oh, okay.
I like ankle in there.
Okay, you know what? You can drink more, make you strong, and then go to swim with me and river, like in a river. Yeah? And the lace up. Come on. Are you sure you can swim?
Yeah, school one.
You swim like a frog, maybe crocodile.
Yeah, like crocodile.
You know what? And the lace up also have a farm crocodile.
Yeah, very good.
Maybe you have to learn style like him. Huh?
Maybe the crocodile eat my dick.
Oh my God!
Linda.
Bad man. Yeah?
It's a little bit more full.
Yeah, he can train you a little bit. Yeah. Don't worry, have fun together later. Enjoy time and with the boat.
Yeah, it's better in 95.
Okay, everyone, I will show you later about another video also now. Give it a try. I hope everyone will come to Cambodia one day to see in my country how beautiful also and Kampong for what very and amazing, more than 1,000 years old. Also in Siem Reap have a lot of place, beautiful place. You know what? Very beautiful. Have a lot of place about you want to see. Okay.
You are here, the
You have it?
Yeah.